It's an ancient Eastern Roman gold Solidus coin. It's minted during the rule of Justinian the Great in Constantinople, AD 538 to 545. On the obverse, you see the facing head of Justinian the Great. He's holding a globus cruciger. Justinian the Great is remembered as the greatest ruler in the history of the Byzantine Empire. This gold Solidus, minted during his rule, is grade extremely fine. It's in wonderful condition, was struck very well. We set this in a custom 18-karat gold pendant, our nicest style, which this coin deserves. It's a wonderful treasure. On the reverse, you see an angel holding a globus cruciger and a long cross.